So there's a few processes as far as the manufacturing of the products, of course. With the ironing board covers, I do a lot of the cutting with the ironing board covers. We lay the products up, so we'll lay the Dacron up, cut them out, lay the material up, cut the material out, of course, and then it goes to the machinists. They basically piece it together. I usually cut the elastic to go into that product. Then we actually basically package the product up ready to go out into the sales environment. With our peg bags, everything's cut. We lay up the canvas and we cut it out into little rectangles, and we also cut the webbing that goes, the hanging webbing, the tubing that goes on the outer to keep the bag open. So that's all cut, and then it all gets pieced together. There again, it's quite a simple sort of process, but it tends to work. Even down to the thread that we use for our peg bags. We use a really high quality thread on our peg bags, so as it's not affected by UV rays. It's our product and the quality of our product that keeps us ahead of everyone else.